Hey, it's Bea. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing an unboxing, first impressions, wear test, and review of a product that I have been seeing all over social media on Instagram and TikTok. And it is the Makiage Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation. I have yet to unbox it, so let's go ahead and get started. So this is what the packaging looks like. It has a sticker that has their logo on it, and it says minimalism is dead. Super cool personal touch. So in the box, it comes with your information, return slip, and it is just a nice sleek black box with their logo. It looks really good. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. There is a little slip that comes in here as well, and it says, over 75 women get foundation wrong. Get yours right. Apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, and neckline. Blend out with a brush or sponge, and I do have both of them right here, so I'm going to do a brush on one side and the sponge on the other side of my face. Wait 5 minutes for foundation to set before checking the shade. Don't match to your neck or wrist. They're a different tone than your face, especially if you've been in the sun or you are sunless tanning. Matching it to your wrist that's already orange is not the way to go. Finish your face with concealer, blush, and bronzer. Wear for a full week to determine if it's perfect for you. So the foundation comes in a box like this. I like how it's super sleek, and a little touch that they added as well when you open it. It is magnetic. How cool. It is 30 milliliters, and I got shade matched to the shade 105. This is what the foundation looks like in the bottle, and comes in a nice frosted glass bottle. It feels really good quality, and I really like that it also comes with a pump. So we're gonna go ahead and try this foundation, and I'm gonna pump it on the back of my hand. They say 2 pumps is a good amount. It does run a little bit, but it's not super runny. We're gonna start with half of my face, and we're going to do it with the Beauty Blender. So I'm going to do this half with Beauty Blender and the other half with a brush. I'm going to be looking down in this corner because this is where my mirror is. Okay. I'm finding that with the Beauty Blender, it is shearing it out quite a bit, but if you want a more natural coverage, it's really nice, and it's matching my skin tone really well right now. I'm noticing a little bit of fragrance. It doesn't bother me. What do you think? It looks good!
Yeah, I like it.
Like, it looks like skin. I'm just gonna try to build it up and see if we can build it up. Okay, so this is what 2 coats of the foundation looks like with my Beauty Blender. I'm gonna go in on the other side and use my brush, and let's see if there's more coverage. I'm also using a Morphe M439 buffer brush. This is my favorite brush to use when applying foundation. So this is how 2 pumps looks like on this side with the brush, and 2 pumps on this side with the sponge. It definitely was buildable, so that's awesome. I find that it took away most of my redness and hyperpigmentation on my face. I'm gonna go set this with some translucent powder, let it sit for 5 minutes, and finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back to talk more about this product. So we are back. I just finished the rest of my makeup, and I want to talk a little bit about the product. So on the directions, it says to wait 5 minutes for the foundation to set before you check the shade. And I'm not sure if you guys noticed when I was doing the first application, but oh my gosh. To me, I thought, oh wow, it looks way too warm. It didn't really exactly match my shade, but once I let it set, I did set it with a translucent powder as well, just under my eyes and in my T-zone where I get oily. Then I did the rest of my makeup. When I came back to look at this foundation, you guys, it looks pretty spot on. This foundation matches so well, and in person, it looks airbrushed. I am so surprised. So the reason why I wanted to try Makiage is because they are famous for their shade matcher quiz, and basically this quiz is supposed to match you to your exact shade of foundation without you ever seeing the foundation, swatching it, or them even knowing what you look like. They ask you questions such as what your skin type is, what your undertone is, what kind of products you're already using, if you get lighter or darker during this time of year. I get lighter because we live in a really cold climate. And at the end of the quiz, you are matched with your perfect shade. And what's really cool with this product is that if you do want to try it, all you have to pay for is shipping. I believe I paid only $5 US. And once you receive it, you have 14 days to try the product risk-free. And if you really don't want it, it doesn't match you, you can also just download their return form from their website and send it back hassle-free. I'm just on their website and I'm going to read you some key facts about this foundation. They have 50 shades for all skin tones, lightweight texture, buildable medium to high coverage, natural matte finish, optically corrective powders, and it's enriched with vitamin E for anti-aging benefits, hyaluronic acid for hydration, protection, and filling wrinkles. They are 100% cruelty-free. For long-lasting wear, pair with a primer or setting spray. The time is now 2:24 p.m. I will wear this foundation for as long as I can today, and then at the end of the night, I will come back and give you guys my final thoughts. I wanted to show you guys what the foundation looks like without the studio lights on. So this is how it looks like in natural lighting. I am right in front of the big window and the shade looks pretty spot on. Hello my loves, so it is the end of the night and I'm going to do my end of the night check-in for you guys. The time is now 10:12 p.m. and I'm just going to go over some of the claims and what I think about this foundation. On the website, again, it says that it is a lightweight texture. I totally agree. At the end of the night, I still feel like it's not sliding off. Throughout the day, I was really comfortable wearing it as well. It says it has a buildable medium to high coverage, and as you guys have seen in the clips earlier when I was using my beauty blender, it was really easy to shear it out, and if you do want to build it up, you can do it with another layer, or you can also go in with a blender brush, and I found that that way worked really well. It says that it offers a natural matte finish, and I completely agree. There are no reflective or iridescent pigments in this, so it does offer a matte finish. I would personally set my T-zone with translucent powder as well as under my eyes, just because I don't want it to settle into my fine lines. And I do want to mention that throughout the day, just in my oilier parts in my T-zone, I wanted to try to see how the foundation would react to adding a little bit more translucent powder in the oilier parts, and I'm happy to say that it held up really well and it didn't break apart. This is how my skin is looking like after about 8 hours of wearing this foundation. And I can definitely say that I will be keeping it after the 14 days is over because I really enjoyed it, and I think you guys will too. So if you are going to try it, if you've already tried it and have some thoughts, leave it in the comments below, and that is going to wrap it up for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and turn on post notifications if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!